Meet gold and silver. Something went wrong. Let's switch. Now it's all good. Hey! Hi! Haven't seen you in a while. You look great. Obviously. What's that? A pageant? I'm not interested. I'm not either. Gotta go. I'm late too. Give it up for silver. Next up, here's gold. Applause! Next contestant. Who's that? The winner of the Gold Mop of the Year award. Me and my wonderful mop deserve to win the first prize. I didn't know this prize even existed. I'm starving. Gold chips are a great snack for VIPs. Delicious. I love spoiling myself. Coat potato chips with edible pearl dust. Wrap the original package in gold cardboard. Attach a printed customized Pringles logo. Fill the package with the gold chips. What's so shiny? Wow! Are these chips actually made out of gold? Hello! I was waiting for your call. Wow! I lucked out. There are gold chips left over. I won't leave anything. I love when everything is clean. I need to hide them in a safe spot. I'll take a bubble bath and give myself a real spa day. That's so nice! Silver water is great for relaxing and toning. I'll take a nap. Silver is asleep. I can start my sabotage. I'll start with a gold bath bomb. Let's turn the water into gold! Mix 7 ounces of baking soda and 3½ ounces of citric acid. Add food coloring, a few drops of vanilla essential oil. Pour in an ounce of melted cocoa butter. Mix it thoroughly so it looks like sand. Shape a ball using half spheres while the mixture is still wet. Coat the ball with pearl dust after it dries. Why is there gold here? Get out! Help! I'm allergic to gold! Oh, it was just a dream! But it was horrible! Good afternoon, everyone! I'm Silver! This is my talent show performance! A cool dance! Yo-yo! This is a disaster! Wait! I have another dance ready! Bam! 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 No way! I can also paint! I'm gonna paint a portrait of you! What? That's interesting. Should I sit like this? Great! And don't move! You were born to have your portrait done! I'll add some over here, and a little here. Great! The portrait is almost done. A few more strokes, and voila! Take a look! It's perfect! This is terrible! Get out of here! When do I go out on stage? What? A talent contest? I totally forgot about it! What do I do? A pineapple! There's no other option. Here I am, and I'm gonna turn this pineapple into gold. Voila! Coat a pineapple with gold spray paint. Wow! Unbelievable! Can you make this water gold? Water? Easy! Whoa! Hang on! Don't go away! What else can you turn into gold? Oh, can I have your phone? Of course! Sure! Oh, so much gold! I can't believe my eyes! My hair! It's gold too! Bravo! You're the best! You're the winner of the talent contest! Oh, thanks a lot! I'm up next! I'll try the tiara on. Girls, are you ready yet? Wow! Gold, you look terrific! Oh, it's him again! He's so annoying! Silver, you also look, wonderful! He's so nice! He probably has a crush on me! Oh! Anything but this! This red blush is so terrible! Only my silver shimmer can save me! Combine face toner and flower water. Add a few drops of fragrance or essential oil. Put in silver pearl dust. Pour in a spray bottle. Add a label. There you go! The blush is gone! This product is magical! My hair is perfect! Now I can have a snack! Silver chocolate is my favorite! It's unique! Open up a package of Ritter Sport. Color it with silver food spray. Make a customized package. What a beautiful chocolate bar! Want some? Thanks! Hey! I actually offered you a piece! That's for you! Pure silver chocolate! And don't forget to vote for my contestant as we agreed! Don't worry! The final touch! And my hair is done! It's perfectly straight! Just what I need! I also need some fresh air! There's a real tornado here! Poor girl! You ruined your hair! Oh man! My hair is ruined! But I know what to do! A silver hair clip will fix it! Wonderful! Hello, everyone! Here's the moment you have all been waiting for! We are gonna announce the winner of Miss Universe! And the gold Oscar goes to… Silver! Congrats! What? A gold Oscar? Really? Combine melted white and milk chocolate. Add fat-soluble food coloring. Place the mass in a pastry bag. Fill an Oscar mold with the chocolate. Make a base from dark chocolate. Join the halves after the chocolate hardens. Coat it with edible pearl dust. The runner-up is gold! This silver medal is for you! There's nothing to be happy about! A silver medal? What could be worse? Gold! I have an idea! Let's trade! You get gold and I get silver! Yay! The medal is mine! Awesome idea! I love it! The gold Oscar is mine! It's yummy! What about me? Oh, yeah, and you get a consolation prize! Have some candy! Stupid contest! No one's here! I don't need to hide! I'm sick of this stupid mask! It ruins my amazing hair all the time! A laptop bag! Great! A silver laptop! Coat a laptop with silver chrome spray paint. Well, Gold, I'm gonna have some fun! Loser! Oh, hi! Hi! Only with you! Hello, losers! How dare he! We're gonna teach you a lesson! Hey, girls! I was kidding! Did you like our video? Then comment below what you liked the most. Gold chips, bath bomb, edible Oscar, or silver shimmer. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.